Hello, students and teachers. Welcome to another online science class. Our topic for today is radio waves. I am Sir Mao, and I am your instructor for this topic. This presentation is powered by DLSAU Farm. Radio waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths longer than infrared light. They have longest wavelengths, with a range as high as 300 gigahertz to as low as 30 hertz, or shorter than a grain of rice to longer than the radius of the Earth. These are some representation of radio waves. Radio waves have longest wavelengths and lowest in terms of frequency. Electromagnetic spectrum made up of oscillating electric and magnetic fields. In this chart, radio waves is located in this part. To generate radio waves, we require electricity or alternating current. Radio waves allow us to transfer information. In this illustration, oscilloscope is a device that can see the frequency of the alternating current and determine the frequency of the wave. In the transmitter, here, it can generate information that determined by the oscilloscope then transmitted to the receiver. As the receiver interprets the information, it is exactly the same from the transmitter. Radio waves is mainly for communication. It has three types. First is the long waves. It can reach huge distances from one country to another country or continent. It can bend or diffract around the curve surface of the Earth. Second is the short waves. It can reach long distances. Waves were reflected in the ionosphere. Ionosphere is an electrically charged layer of the upper atmosphere. It can cover long distances by bouncing back and forth repeatedly. Short waves also for short distances. Example is by using Bluetooth. And third is very short wave that uses the direct radio waves from transmitter to receiver. Example is our television and radio. Heinrich Rudolf Hertz discovered the radio waves previously predicted by Maxwell's equation, 1888. He proved that light is a kind of electromagnetic waves. So the unit for frequency is named after him. He used a spark gap attached to an induction coil and a separate spark gap on a receiving antenna. When waves created by the sparks of the coil transmitter were picked up by the receiving antenna, sparks would jump its gap as well. So that's the presentation for the topic radio waves. Thank you for listening.